Alrighty, today we are working on lesson 53 in the Algebra 2 book, and we're talking about compositions of functions. The whole concept here is that we know what functions are, and we have f of x and g of x, which are both functions. And we want to use the output values from this function, g of x, and we're going to put them in to f of x and use them as input values for f of x, and then we're going to figure it out. So for example, on example 1, we have f of x equals 3x plus 5 and g of x equals x squared. If we put this output into the input here, it's going to be just like saying f of x squared. And what does that equal? Remember, then we put that in for the x here, and we get 3x squared plus 5. So basically, we put this, use this output as the input for f of x. And that's my answer for that one. Pretty simple. Now, we also need to find the domain and the range. And as you know, with a quadratic equation, it looks something like this, right? And the domain is going to be all reals because it goes forever this way and forever this way, ever so slightly. And the domain is going to be all positives. All positives. Because this cannot be you cannot have a negative number when you have a squared in the range. So that is example 1, pretty straightforward.